Hello everyone, my name is Jeff Hunter and I am the Field CTO at NinjaOne. Today we're exploring custom fields. Custom fields are exactly what they sound like. Data fields of many different types that allow you to tailor the information that you want to have visible on a device, a location, an organization, or an end user. If we hover over custom fields on this device, you can see how I've grouped together various fields to make things more organized and easy to find. Now these fields can be filled out manually, or you can import a lot of data via the API, but the most common use case is populating the fields with information from a script. Every custom field we see on this page is populated via a script that runs on a recurring interval of your choosing, and this ensures that the information displayed is always up to date. Let's click into the Windows Workstation Data tab. This tab includes information on if the device is compatible with Windows 11, and if a registry modification has been made to block Windows 11 from being installed. There's a diagnostic on the Windows Update status, on the PowerShell version, the firewall status, and more. And every custom field on this page is populated by a script in our template library, so everything we see here can be easily duplicated in any NinjaOne environment in a matter of minutes. Now this information is great to see at the individual device level, but we can zoom out to the Devices menu on the left-hand side, and this view can be customized to display most custom field types as columns. If I load up a device search group for Windows 11 compatibility, I have a bird's eye view of what devices are or are not compatible. And this can be a report that gets emailed out in a CSV format if you have a need to get this information out of NinjaOne and into someone else's hands. We can also alert and create tickets on information in custom fields. For example, here in Policies, I'm monitoring the firewall status in case it is disabled, so a ticket can be created. In this case, I'm responding with a script to try and enable the firewall automatically. To get started with custom fields, we can go to Administration, then Devices, and you'll see a Device Custom Field menu option. When we create a new custom field, we can select the field type, but also where the field will appear. Is the field visible at the organization level, and data inside that field accessible to all devices in the organization? Or is the value set per individual location? We could also have the field be set per end user or on an individual device. However, you can also have this field be present at multiple levels. This allows you to set default values for all devices in an organization while overriding or modifying that value for a specific location, or a specific end user, or a specific device. The inheritance functionality will prioritize the value that is set closest to the device level. Let's look at an example where we use a script to deploy software. I've stored a token required to install the software in a custom field at the organization level, and then I've referenced this custom field in the deployment script. However, if I make a modification to the token custom field for a specific location, all devices within that location will retrieve the proper value. With this methodology, a single script can be used to deploy software across many different devices, and the behavior will change depending on the custom field value. Custom fields do need to be assigned after being created. To assign fields per device, go to Administration, Devices, and then Roles. You can assign custom fields for all managed device types, or be more specific and assign custom fields to a targeted device role. For example, I want to track Wi-Fi data and battery health on laptops, but not on desktops or servers. While there is always a default tab for custom fields, you can create additional tabs to better organize your custom fields like we saw earlier. Tabs that have been assigned to a device role further up the device role hierarchy can be hidden if they are not relevant to a child role. Your organization, location, and end user custom fields will also need to be assigned in a similar method to what we just saw with device custom fields. Custom fields lets you expand and extend the NinjaOne platform to tailor your workflows for alerting, reporting, and automation. To learn more, click the link below. Take care.